$40 of all these trades. I've been transparent. I tell you how going on the personal account. Nah, one trade, one single trade. But on this, we have a full day trading ahead. It's 11 a.m. I could be out. I could honestly be out with profit, but I am back in again, taking a second trade. Yeah, I guess today is one of those days, a little bit above break even. Actually, this second trade, took me a little bit into profit for the day, about $40 profit for the day. Welcome back to another video. It's currently Monday, the 24th of June. It's a beautiful Monday. I already had a trade, as you can see. It's supposed to hit stop loss, but thankfully break even. And I'm not gonna lie, this one kind of hurt. I was up about $100 something or close to $100, and like on all the other accounts. So yeah, seeing that hurt a bit. But I have an opportunity to go back in right now as we speak. I can see this opportunity forming, and honestly, I think I am going in. Like, I like the action. I like the price action. I'm a trader. Of course, I'm gonna take more than one trade a day. If I'm being honest with you guys, I was on the 1 minute again. I know. So I ain't going only 1 minute. But hear me out. I saw opportunities at areas of interest. It wasn't just randomly going in on the one. I know this is all excuses. There ain't nothing that I could logically tell y'all. Like, breaking your rules is breaking your rules. There ain't no excuses. I was wrong. It worked out, which, like I said in the previous videos, is more dangerous than when it doesn't work out. I was over leveraging. I was using the 0.5 again, all because I lost like $40 today. And guess how much profit in total I get back? $40 of all these trades. I've been transparent. I tell you how going on the personal account. Nah, one trade, one single trade. But on this, the mental pressure of just holding it for this long. Plus, I'm sharing it, so every now and again somebody is gonna ask, "How is good? How is it going?" Hold on. I think I'm going to enter. I was already in the trade, a buy, but closed early. I think I'm going to re-enter. Stop loss. Wait, from 670 to. Hell no. Nah, this is far too much risk for me. Nah, I ain't entering that one. This one is gonna have to go, or unless I reduce risk and into a normal size trade. That's also a possibility. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do just that. Enter a trade with reduced risk. And because you guys deserve to see live trading, they ain't got nothing to do it after. I just couldn't pull out the camera when I was in the trade, or I saw the opportunity. But now I can, and give you an update on this trade. I'm gonna take it as long as I see a good opportunity. Let me get optimal trade entry on this one, and I'm gonna come back to you guys. Promise. I'm going to. Well, I can't promise y'all a trade. Honestly, if I don't see a trade, then I'm not gonna do it. The idea is there, but the entry is just the amount of risk that I would have to take on. It's a lot. All right, I'm going in long, and I'm going to update you guys on the progress of this trade as it plays out, as a diplomat. All right, we're in. I already sent it out to the team, so I just exited early, but it's the same trade idea. Stop loss is below here because I actually sent it out till, let's see, under 1 minute. I was scalping this bad boy, so I sent it out here. Stop loss below here, and we're supposed to still be holding this one, but I just re-entered like till there. So that is my risk reduced, very small, let's say. So y'all ain't gotta worry about that, and that's my target. So let's see, will it give me that? Will it not? I don't know. Is it a bearish day? Do I just not want to accept that we bearish? Kinda, because I keep seeing bullish opportunities. Can't blame a guy for trying. Okay, so we in this trade, and if I could reduce risk, where would it be? Honestly, I can't. There's no opportunity to reduce risk. There is only a risk itself. This is the parameters of the trade. We have a full day trading ahead. It's 11 a.m. I could be out. I could honestly be out of profit, but I am back in again, taking a second trade. All for content, I show you I won't even support this, like taking a trade just for content, just to show you. But it's not all for content, because the trade idea is there, and I saw the otherwise would I have taken it? No, but there's a reduced risk. So let's see how this plays out. Hopefully it doesn't hit stop loss or take profit in just a couple of minutes or something, so I get to play out this trade and do all the other things that I have to do for the day. I kind of like being in a trade, being honest with you. So it's not your fault, but I'll come back and check in with y'all in hopefully an hour or so. Hopefully. Alright, so we're back, and this second trade was a bust. Went all the way down, but I didn't get out at break even, but you see. Alright, so basically break even. They had a retracement. I went in for a second entry. Whoa, I entered here, second position here, and closed the trade here. So the first trade was basically a little less than break even. The second trade was in profit. I ended the day overall in profit, and I'm still happy for that. Unfortunately, this one was a loss for the VIP community. The first trade was break even, and the second one being a loss because I didn't send out that I entered a second position at the bottom to recover losses and then exited at break even. It was all really quick, like literally this 5-minute candle here, the next 5 minutes, and I was out. So yeah, I guess today is one of those days, you know, a little bit above break even. Actually, this second trade, you know, took me a little bit into profit for the day, about $40 profit for the day. So grateful. Survived the trade another day. The account is up. I'm not gonna drag the video on for too long because I also need to leave home in a few, go down to town, come back. So I guess I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video, where it's a new day, new trading opportunities. We can do the most again tomorrow. But that will be it for this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
Bye, have a great time.